Hello, today we're going to be doing LeetCode problem 169, which is majority element. This problem states, given an array nums of size n, return the majority element. What is the majority element? The majority element is the element that appears more than n divided by 2 times. You may assume that the majority element always exists in the array. So in example 1, nums 323, the output is 3 because 3 exists more times than 2. The second example, there are 4 number 2's and only 3 number 1's, so the output is 2. Now the key piece of information is that the element that appears the most appears more than n divided by 2. That means more than half the elements are going to be the majority element, which means we can kind of cheat a little bit and just take the middle. So we can sort the array and then just take the middle number, because it will always, the majority number will always overlap the middle. So when you factor that in, this becomes a very simple problem. So we're just going to do arrays sort nums. And we're going to return nums of the length of it, length of the array, divided by 2. And that should be it. Let's run it and see what we get. Accepted. Case 1, case 2. Submit. And that is also accepted. So thanks again for watching. Hopefully this was helpful, and we will see you next time.